In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Canva to ChatGPT in just a few steps. So this way you can make any design or use Canva normally using the AI just by putting the prompts right here. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Just go to your profile and then settings, and now go to apps, and you will find the option to add more applications here. In my case, I already have Adobe Photoshop here, but let's say we want to add Canva as well. Just go to this marketplace and search for Canva. You should find it. You can see some examples of what we can create with the ChatGPT integration. For example, we can ask Canva to create social media posts based on something you have on some media, and you can do a lot of more things. It will also give you some examples of the prompts. So click connect, and it will ask you to sign in with Canva, so you will need to log into your account. And after you do that, you can go to new chat, then click this plus icon, more, and you will find Canva. Just as you can see Adobe Photoshop here, you can click on Canva and ask Canva AI for anything. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.